Hi everyone, I'm Monisha Pulikatra here. Today I'm gonna give you a small presentation on goal setting and ambitions. And never give up whatever obstacle may come in between you and your goal. Reaching our dream or our goal is not a ping pong game. It needs a lots of courage and perseverance and focus. No matter whoever tries to stop you, tries to insult you or pull you back, take a deep breath and move forward. Just like here, you and goal. There are lots of obstacles in between you and your goal. They may be relatives, friends, pessimists, society, fear, guilt. But your focus should be always towards your goal. And just reject and just disappear and make disappear all those obstacles which come in between you and your goal. Life is not about accepting failures and setbacks. It's about refusing to sit back and trying each and every time when you fall. Failure is just a word, so don't accept it, cause we should never ever fail. Even if we fail, we should try to move towards our ultimate goal. Because the famous saying goes, a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. Always the obstacles and the problems make us a skilled and talented person. So, try and try again. First, the major objective is having a goal, because most of the people are speechless when coming to goal setting. Goals or ambitions is not those which are made by parents or your teachers. It's only about you. If you don't know, then sit back and think carefully. That which is that one thing which holds you and which never allows you to sleep, or which is that one thing which always makes you happy to do. That may be dance, music, math, history, economics, accountancy, etc. Anything. Find it out and focus and work hard towards it. There is one famous saying, that is, whenever our instinct is pure and ambition is impeccable, then even nature will help you to reach that goal. So, follow your passion, follow your dreams, do what you love and love what you do. But never cheat yourself. Even if you cheat the whole world, never cheat or lie to yourself. Because the only one who you can rely on is you. Okay? So never ever cheat yourself. Because in this life's journey, everyone who comes and go are mere passengers. Someone stays a bit longer and others leave soon. But the only one person stays with you all the time is you and you only. Even your shadow will leave you sometimes. So respect yourself, your body, your mind, your intellect, cause no one is going to respect you more than yourself. So the one person who you give the respect is you. Sync yourself with this eternal universe. The law of attraction finds its way for you, but you should earn for your own life. Even if your soul breaks, even if you can't run, even if you can't walk, you should crawl towards your success. Keep your ambition and goal near to your heart and mind and soul. Just do it. Never ever 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 give up. These are some of the tips for career and goals. Have specific goals. Goals must be measurable. Be positive but realistic. Pair goals with action and be flexible. Don't let other people stop you. But more importantly, don't be the one to stop yourself. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please do comment me in the comment section below. Have a great week ahead. Thanks a lot.